Hi everyone, it's James here at Your Next Car, bringing you the walk around video of the 435D M Sport GRAN COUPE. So as always, we're going to go around this exquisitely presented vehicle. We're going to talk through some of the major talking points and features. Then I'm going to go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there, we will of course go through some of the major talking points and features once again. So as you can see, it's finished in the Estoril blue, and we finished that off with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Alongside that, we've had the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels fully refurbished in the original Bi-Orbit grey. And they come wrapped in the Pirelli P0 tyres all the way around, which once again are in great condition. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see it is a 2017 17 plate. And we have the Angel Out and Xenon headlamps, which you can currently see in operation. This vehicle comes with an absolute wide array of optional extras. And you'll be able to see those lovely M brakes situated behind the 19-inch alloy wheels. Alongside that, the vehicle, thanks again, as part of the M Sport Plus pack, we have the bigger brakes, the privacy glass, the heated Dakota leather, and the Harman Kardon with Logic 7 surround sound. And of course, we'll take a close-up glance at all of those as we make our way around. So down the side of the car, straight away you can see that privacy glass, the satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and Mperformance decals. So the interior on this vehicle is just as special looking as the exterior. You have the Oyster Dakota leather, which not only has that heated seat function as I've mentioned, you also have electric function and memory for the driver's side. We have the Harman Kardon surround sound, which I've mentioned, which really does add another level to your whole driving and owning experience of any of the BMW range. Again, moving on to the rear, where you have that privacy glass as I've mentioned. We have the Isofix rear bench with the centre fold armrest. And again, being an M Sport model, we do have the black headlining, which works very nicely in contrast with that Oyster Dakota leather. So I'll just give you another look at these 19-inch alloy wheels to really emphasise how clean and tidy they are thanks to that refurb. Walking towards the rear of the car, we have the satin rear diffuser and high gloss black rear boot spoiler, which sits very nicely on the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which you find on the GRAN COUPE. And there you can see just how large that boot space really is. And thanks to the split folding seat option, it can be made even larger should you require to. And there you can see the genuine BMW floor mats that will come with the vehicle. Onto the other side, and thanks to the sun really shining through today, you can see how well presented this vehicle is and how nice the two colours do work together. So we'll take one last glance at the alloy wheels before I head on inside the vehicle to go through all of the optional extras and features that this very, very special car has. Memory settings there for the driver's side, power folding mirrors, and we're going to go ahead and get straight in as there is still lots to get through. Starting the car up, we have the professional wide navigation and media screen, and since it's there, we'll go straight in and take a look at the service requirements and service history. The vehicle's not due a service for 10,000 miles and has got full BMW service history, as you can currently see on screen now. The vehicle has covered just over 45,000 miles. And if we look up just here, I'm not sure how well it's going to come across. The vehicle also comes equipped with the head-up display. So not only will this show a digital speed, we also have turn-by-turn directions when a sat-nav route is set, and including all of the important messages, i.e. the side light warning when I've opened the door. And of course, if the temperature drops below, and including all of the important warning messages you would like to appear. Zooming you back out there we go. A couple of other of the major functions and features. Of course, not only do you have all of the normal multimedia inputs, this vehicle also comes with the Apple Carplay function. So when an Apple device is connected via the USB slot, you can have your Apple device screen basically come up and appear on here. Alongside, the vehicle is able to read text messages and do all of its normal voice control via that. So again, always nice thing to have if you're an Apple user. Alongside that, don't worry if you're not an Apple user, it has all of the normal Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone functions. Alongside having the heated seats and of course dual climate control, as you can see down there, the vehicle also comes with the heated steering wheel. So we click this button down here and that will warm the outer rim of the multi-function M Sport steering wheel very nicely, where you'll also find the paddles for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, all once again situated on that steering wheel. So as always guys, I do hope you find this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where we'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And also down below in the description there is all of the relevant contact information, so you can find out more in regards to prices and finance options for this absolutely superb 435D M Sport Gran Coupe. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. We do hope to see you soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you, goodbye.